Okay, so next we're going to prepare or continue preparing our chicken. And remember that roasted chicken is the preferred method. You are looking for an internal temperature of 165, but since you're going to cook this again, if it's a little bit pink in the middle, that's okay, okay? So I'm gonna let you decide whether or not you want to use the skin, because you know that's where a lot of the flavor is. So I'm going to just set the skin aside, and we're just gonna pull the meat off the bone. Oops. Okay, set that aside. And then you can use forks to shred, or you can just do a dice. Okay, and I'm gonna do kind of a fine dice. Okay, so same thing as with our vegetables. We're gonna stack, we're gonna do strips, and then just like a rough dice. And then at this point, I'm going to take a step away and I'm going to start gently heating my pan. Okay, a good olive oil as needed. So this is chicken breast, which tends to be dry. So just keep that in mind as you're deciding how much oil to use. Remember, you definitely don't want things to stick to the bottom of the pan. So that's warming up. So I'll go back to my chicken. Okay, and that's good. So a rough dice is fine. It's about maybe medium dice. I'm gonna add my garlic now. I'm gonna let it come up to temp with the oil. And I'm going to add my turn this down, I don't want my garlic to burn. I'm going to add my half teaspoon of oregano. Uh-oh, can't do that. Here we go. Since my measuring spoon didn't fit in, I'm going to have to double that. I'm going to go ahead and add pepper now. Okay. And I'm just going to let these come up to start just kind of toasting. Okay, but not burn. Okay, so if you're here, you can smell the garlic and the oregano starting to meld together. Okay, so just don't let that burn. And then your chicken goes in. Okay, so basically I roasted my chicken this morning, so really all I need to do is reheat it and make sure everything is well combined. I'm going to leave that for a second so you guys can watch the chicken while I kind of reorganize my pieces. And by the way, if you prefer, I'll be giving you chicken breast, but if you prefer chicken thigh, that's fine too. The thigh is considered dark meat. It has a little bit more fat in it, so it is juicier.